Greetings from the Winter Garden, folks. I can't believe it's March 2023 and it dumped 40 centimetres on us last night. Anyway, this gives me the perfect opportunity to open a vintage bottle. And when I say vintage, I'm talking about a 19-month-old bottle of cider that I made, which has been in a Magnum, and it's in such a big bottle, the Magnum, I can't put it in the fridge. So now I can cool it down outside naturally. I open it tonight and we can see what it tastes like after so long in the bottle. I'm quite excited. So here's the beast in question. This is my Quadruple cider. So if you want to see how I made this cider, go onto my YouTube channel and look for Quadruple apple cider or Quad apple cider, whatever I called it as. And this was bottled, as it says there, in August 2021. So I'm just going to wait for it to get a little bit darker outside, and then I shall put this out in nature's fridge for a couple of hours. Then we'll be having the opening. Catch you then. Right, the sun is setting. Let's get this chilling. Oh, I think this will do just nicely out here. We'll have an update in a bit. Right, it's been out there for 90 minutes. Let's get that Magnum in. It's certainly nice and chilled. Blimey, that is cold. Ooh. So just as a recap, I made this in August 2021. This is when I just got back into home brewing again, having had about a 20-year hiatus, and I was relearning a lot of things. So what I made then isn't the quality that I make now. So what I'm wanting is something that's going to pour nice and look really good in the glass. It's going to open with a pop. I'm going to get lots of life in it. That's what I'm wanting to get out of it. I want it to be ultimately very clear, and I'd like it to have a great flavour. It's probably going to be dry at 9.7%, but if it's not dry, it's a bonus, because then it might taste more cidery than winey. But I don't mind if it tastes winey, even if it's like champagne. Ooh, can you imagine? Right, let's get into this. I'm going to have to put it down to open it because it's such a beast. It might not show on the camera how big the bottle is, but it literally is a Magnum, you know, double-sized bottle, and therefore double the trouble. The cage has got very cold and very stiff, so I'm just using a fork to help me untwist it. Now, I know that when I opened this originally, all those months ago, or a year ago, whatever it was, that there was a lot of life in the ones that I opened, and as soon as I took the cage off, some of the bungs went flying. So I'm just hoping that that isn't going to happen today, and in fact it isn't. Whew. Yeah, I literally had some cannons in the garden. It was when I was relearning about carbonation and stuff like that. I think I was a bit heavy-handed with the sugar. Right. Am I going to get... Oh, I am going to get a pop. I can feel it moving already. Oh, yes. And vapour. Look at that. Oh, wow. I got a massive apple smell then, and it really smelled like apple. Oh. It's exciting. Right. Okay. There's the glass. Let's see how it pours. Oh, look at that. It's like champagne, but it's got a beautiful cider colour. Look at that. Let's just appreciate that sparkle. Oh. Okay, the taste. Well, first of all, let me get my nose in there, because I'm getting apple and caramel straight away. It's good. Whoa! That is an absolute punch in the mouth. That is way more flavoursome than I expected. You don't expect it to be that flavoursome when it's that strong. Definite big hit of apples, and something which is not as dry as what I'd expected it to be. I would put it in the medium dry ballpark. Oh, wow. It's got a bit of a, like a Chardonnay type quality to it, to the flavour. You know that oakiness that you get with Chardonnay? I'm getting something like that in that flavour. Is that with the aging? I don't know. If you'd have told me that it was a cider that had a hint of caramel flavouring in it, I would have believed you. Honestly, I would. But it's absolutely banging. I mean, crikey, imagine me drinking a full Magnum of this tonight. 9.7%. I'm not doing, incidentally, kids. This is shared tonight. But wow, am I happy with this? Yes, I am. So what is the lesson learned? Aging is a great thing for your cider. So if you can be patient and you can leave it a little bit longer, you're going to end up with something which is a truly nice surprise. And this is that. So cheers, folks. It's not been a full brew film, but I hope you appreciate what I've been trying to achieve with this film to show you, something that's a bit older than I would normally open and how it's developed. Have a look for the original film again. It was called Quadruple Apple Cider. I uploaded it in probably September 2021. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll catch you on the next film. Cooking, brewing, whatever it may be. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Home and Garden production. You can find more by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. I'd just like to say thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for watching my films. It really is very much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to receive future updates about the home and garden films which I upload. You can find my YouTube channel by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. Please click on the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you press that also, then you'll get future updates about the films which I upload. If you like my films, if you like my style of filming, then you might also like my travel channel, which you will find by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss or type in www.mosstravel.tv. Again, if you could subscribe to that channel, it would be hugely appreciated. If you'd like to get Moss Home and Garden updates on Facebook, then please open Facebook and do a search for Moss Home and Garden, and you will find the page. If you like the page, then you will get future updates on there. And if you'd like to connect on Instagram for home, garden and travel photography, as well as some stories, then my username is StuMoss, STUMOSS. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, then my username is @StuartMoss. And if you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on stewmosshomegarden@gmail.com. Once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel, for watching my films. I do appreciate it. I'd just like you all to have a great day.